everybody should be well aware about this. If you make me sir again, I'll be feeling boring. Okay, so this is not kind of any so much knowledge platform, or I'm going to teach you some knowledge, some gyan, and then making you vidwan. So no gyan, no vidwan. So we want action-oriented people. So this talk will be more talking about action. Is it?
Yes.
So do you believe in action or not?
Yes.
That's what is needed. So let us start with this. The people who raised hand that the Deshpande Foundation. I just want a few of you people to tell what is Deshpande Foundation according to you. Because this session is not only I am talking. I want you also to talk.
It's a kind of doing social welfare it is a business through which socially we can doing social work, we can do business. It's a type of that.
Great, yeah.
Work for the benefit of society.
Very good.
To make the students interact with the entrepreneurs and make their ideas come true.
Amazing.
We can develop leadership qualities.
Very good. In the middle, somebody have.
To include the students who cannot expose themselves towards the environment.
Yeah. Good. So to give a platform to the students, to the people who cannot expose themselves to the society, in the environment. Very good. So let me start with that background, and few things are wrong, most of the things are right, whatever you have told. Okay? So, but it doesn't matter. Expression is more important rather than keeping mum and thinking I am wrong. So be wrong, prove yourself that you are wrong rather than thinking I am wrong. So let us start with this. So complaints start with they, solutions start with I. So you used to know that there are mantras, is it? There are some strong belief. So this is the main belief of this program, that we believe in that. What is written on the top? Yes, and it doesn't apply only in one field or in one way, it applies all across. So we want this as a culture of all of us, and especially the young generation, who are not a part of problem, who are not a part of complaints. If there is something bad, things are not happening, go to the director and ask. We pay so much fees, no facilities. Is it? Mic is not working. Projector is not working. Huh? So a lot of things, these are like small things, but in the community as well. You go, there are a lot of problems. So we want the people to come up with the solution, not with the problem. Problems are there, it will be there, but there must be solution. And who should bring the solution? Huh? I, not we. This we is the bad thing. So we always believe in we, and we never becomes. Because all I's are never coming together and thinking like this is we. So I's are very much scattered. In a we, how many I's are there? When you write we, how many I you need? How many I you need? How many I you need? 4 I's you need. 1, 2, 3, 4. It depends on you how you use these I's. And this is the base. And no I is correct. Exactly, if you see in a V, not a single I is exactly looking like I. But still it's combination of all the I's and making one V. So today I am just coming here as he told that he expressed, your college expressed to our founder Desh Deshpande that we would like to do something and we would like to have this program. Then he said why not, and then again I had to talk to him. I was coming to Belgaum and thought of doing something here. So we want, maybe I want, after this 20-30 minute session, to see how many of you really want to do something apart from this sitting in beautiful, wonderful college. I know all the good facilities are here for 2 years, So whether you enjoy facilities 2 years and after that you are on road, or whether you have the test of moving on the road and you have a backup that you have a good place to sit in college, and then once you go outside, you know all the roads. पहले से पूरा छान मारा है, सारे रोड हमारे हैं. So that is the difference in MBAs. If you be in that dilemma, that all the good facilities, good faculties, good teachers, good thing, this, that, and everything, and if you don't learn outside what is happening, Professor Bang cannot make everybody to be a teacher in this college. Huh? He cannot offer everybody, okay, can you become a teacher and again enjoy the all facilities of this college. Is it possible? No way. He wants all of you people to go on the road.
Please take out your pen, paper, right? Because in the end I am going to ask questions. Everybody has to say at least one point which has bothered you, which have made you think, okay?
Good. So now, kind of a combination of classroom.
Okay, right?
It's okay. I think they are all intelligent people. The mind is very big. Okay? And you can use your smartphones to write.
Yeah, no problem.
Don't write in copy pen because that is the maximum time you have a look on it. Copy pen, I know. After this session, you will not open it. And this page where you are writing, maybe when sometime by default there was one session, some Ajay has given this kind of a beautiful thing to me. But mobile every time. So you can open one page in that. You can write. If you think something is good, open the WhatsApp, write it, text somebody, then see how many comments are coming, how many people share it. Okay? Facebook.
This is something you can do it, right? After every session.
It's live session. Depends on you how much live you want to make it. So if you attend this session, take one picture, upload on Facebook, and then by evening you will see these many likes, these many comments, these many shares. Another thing of that, being very much smart within the classroom, before starting the session, click one photo, upload on Facebook, the session is on, it's live, be tuned. Okay? And then you keep bombarding. Whether right or wrong, let's see how many people are giving good or bad feedback. कुछ लोग बोलेंगे boring, आपस में आप लोग करोगे. कुछ बोलोगे वो wow amazing. Some people will say hey, it's only written in my college, but you will see the level of interaction. So that's the real use of a technology. And I know we all use the mobiles in classroom. It's not banned here, but it's banned. No.
Until and unless the professor seizes it.
Okay. So I never ban. I also teach that MSc course. We have master in not business administration. We have master in social entrepreneurship. So I teach some subjects there, that social entrepreneurship. Another subject for third semester is advocacy and networking. So I teach 2 subjects there, and I allow my students to use the mobile. It is banned there in the rule regulation, but I allow them, and I allow laptop as well. But only one rule is that if they are found not using purposefully, then it will be completely taken out. It will not be given if you even pay also. That will become my property. Is it good or not? But I did not get chance to get even single mobile. So I can say, my dad is too big. I got one wonderful smartphone. They don't give me chance. They only use purposefully. Anyways, leave the things. I think you can keep doing whatever way you want to do. So this is what the lead believes in. Complaints start with this, solutions start with I. Because this is the need of the current scenario. It's not only related to the social sector or development sector where we are working. This is the need in all the sectors. We have to be positive thinker. Many of the time when you people join the job, you take the responsibility. If there is no problem, it means you are not at the right place. If everything is going smoothly and you think there is no challenge every day in the life, it means you are not in a good company. There is no work. Absolutely. Somebody paying you 10,000 to 50,000, and if there is no challenge or no problem, in day-to-day work, it means it's waste of the money that the company is investing on you. Okay? And that is where this thing starts, that complaints or problems start with there, and then solutions start with that. And then you will really see what you learned in MBA. नहीं तो फिर MBA करने का कोई फायदा नहीं ना, अगर आपका skills को use नहीं वहाँ पे हो रहा है, तो then it's only degree and entry, and after that no use of it. But how is it happening in the process? We learn everything, but when the time comes for the execution, the reality is different, is it? We learn something else in the books, but when we go to the reality, we cannot use all the theories, okay? We cannot use all the lessons. It's more practical. So why I'm talking to you these things, this is what we want to do in the LEAD program. This is what we have introduced, LEAD programs in the colleges. It's not only for MBA or BBA, for engineering or anybody. How you can use your learning that happens in the college in practical life, and not after the college, within the college life. Because this is the fun. After the college, no company will allow you to do something. Here you can have a sick leave, that leave, Ganesh festival. But in company, और Ganesh festival के नाम से क्या leave ले सकते हो क्या? Kindly allow me a leave 11 days. There is a leave in my family. Big festival is there. नहीं होता. So use the maximum this wonderful time, and I would like to see how many of amazing action-oriented people are coming forward after this session. So we'll see. Those who really understand what is LEAD, what you can do in this, would like to take them, and as I have written in the email as well, that I would like to listen ideas from your people as well. Have you been told or not?
Yes.
So you are ready with that? So I'll be more interested to listen those, okay? And then after that, whatever ideas are wow, we will start working with them. Prepare business plan. Many people think, oh, I want to run a company, I have an idea, but you don't know how to present to somebody. That's more important. So I think those people who are that kind of, बोलते हैं ना वो जो business के कीड़े जो होते हैं ना, थोड़ा उस subjects पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दो अभी और practically चीजें करना शुरू करो. And Deshpande Foundation has a very long relationship with this college, and absolutely we will be happy to do something more bigger. And absolutely everything is based on you people. तो कॉलेज भी जब तक सपोर्ट करेगा जब तक आप लोग आगे आओगे. आप नहीं आओगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा. And हम भी जब तक सपोर्ट करेंगे कॉलेज को जब आप आगे आओगे. College will give me all beautiful facility and everything, good food, this, that, and good hosting for me. And when I come here, rather than one flower, big bouquet and something, it doesn't work. थोड़ी देर के लिए मैं खुश हो जाऊंगा, फोटो शोटो आ जाएगा, लेकिन रियल में बाद में निकला क्या, है ना? और तो क्या होगा उसका? So that's more important. So, anyways, so before that, I'll see like after this video that I'm going to play. That is again that Professor Van has told that we do a 14-day journey across Karnataka and take all over India. Students are coming and enjoying. That 14 days are amazing. One of the best moments of your life. So LEAD is the one thing that is running all around the year in college life, where we support students' ideas. Like Santosh has an idea, he wants to create bullet card braking system for bullet card. It is costing 3,000 to 4,000 something. 5,000 all around. We supported him. And now he is getting difficulty in marketing. Let's see how if anybody of you really want to take this challenge and help him. Some of them again want to work on this model to reduce the cost. Absolutely, we will be happy. So these are the existing things, but in the same way you can find out your own solutions and ideas, and you can create your own leadership project. We call it as a leadership project. Because he is a leader or not, who has created solution, and he has generated some many other things. So we will be helping those people who would really like to do something else. And this is, the bad thing is not a bad thing, the bad feedback that we have got from MBAs, that people blame always, the student blame, I don't have time. So those who think you can manage the time, time मेरे पास भी नहीं है. God ने मुझे 24 घंटे दिए हैं. शायद आपको भी उतना ही दिया ना. रतन टाटा को भी वही 24 घंटे मिले. वो भी ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं बढ़ा सकता है. कुछ भी करे टाइम 24 घंटे से ज़्यादा गॉड नहीं देगा. ठीक है? आप कम ज़्यादा सोच सकते हो, किसी को प्रायोरिटी दे सकते हो, किसी चीज़ को नहीं. So time is all to manage. You cannot create it. So that is what the good learning happens in the LEAD program as well. How you think the challenging life in the college, and then you are standing aside and creating your own example of leadership. And that is what will make you the leader. Is it? So we want like those excited people to be ready to be a leader. And my friend Abhinandan is here. He is a local in charge of this full Belgaum region and taking care of Kolhapur as well. So we have a local team of LEAD in Belgaum. We work with all engineering colleges and other colleges as well. So let's see how many people are coming from here. Then we will tell the system and everything. How you can join this, that and everything. Abhinandan can visit once more. Depends on the interest. Okay? So this I am going to play the journey. So this is a 14-day journey. This journey is more experiential learning. You go, you see the work. That is remarkable work done by the great people. They are called role model. And then you meet the role model. You see their work, you meet them, and you really learn how to become role models. But how role models are really role models. So I'll play this video. This is the last video, and it will also fulfill the purpose of that Yuva Summit. So all the people students who do the best project during the year, like Santosh, on that platform we showcase. So that used to be the last day of journey. Journey starts 14 days before, and it ends on the Yuva Summit day. So those are 100-150 students travel around, and they come here, and then 2,000-3,000 students, local colleges, they gather in Hubli. That is called the Yuva Summit, and where we invite some great role model, and you really enjoy. It doesn't look like a college event, you feel it's my event. Each one is like enjoying, sharing responsibility, and everything is organized by all of you young people. We don't give opportunity to my CEO to take care of any thing. From there, maybe some role model we share, otherwise all logistic, Professor Bond, it is all taken care by LEAD team and the students. We organize everything. So in this video you can see some of the measures given by the role model, those who came to Hubli in last year.
Hello, I'm Ajay Suman Shukla working for LEAD, Deshpande Foundation, Hubli, Karnataka. So here it comes to the final day of the LEAD Prayana. For that all the excited 100 leaders from across India were waiting. So today is the day to meet the real leader, the inspiring person of country, Mr. Ratan Tata.
All of us, in our own ways, need to ask ourselves the question, are we doing something we feel proud of? Are we doing something that we feel is making a difference or doing good to the communities or the people around us? Or do we bask in showing off our wealth or our prosperity or our well-being so that people can look up to us? If it's that, then I think we're wasting our lives. I think that what we need to feel truly in a satisfied manner is that that we're being exceedingly fair to all people and that we're making a difference, whatever that difference may be. And if we've sent one poor person to school and seen that person prosper, it should give us a feeling of well-being. Much more than making our first million or billion, as the case might be. So I think that's what each of us in our own way needs to do, is recognize that there are people that need our help, and if we can make a difference, I don't mean in charity or otherwise, but give that person an opportunity to play his role or her role in the world ahead.
Knowledge is one component. There are many components which are very essential. I feel don't lose courage, don't lose hope, work sincerely, work with honesty, and also have compassion in your mind. It is not like when I'm 60, I'll get it. You don't get it like that. You have to learn at school, at college, at home, by your partner, and you have to develop and teach. So be bold in a proper way, be honest, work hard, and be compassionate to people who are less fortunate.
I think there are 2 or 3 things that are extremely important for the faculty to realize. One of the biggest challenge is to get the potential in every student realized. Because as I always said, there is no limit to human imagination, there is no limit to human achievement, excepting the limit that you put on yourself. How do the faculty, the teachers, make sure that these young people not only achieve their potential, but when they achieve it, they exceed it? I think that's what the most sort of important thing.
Why everybody in the audience remember that the fact that I could get to wherever I have been is a good indication of the fact that you too can get to because of hard work, because of a little bit of honesty, little bit of sincerity, little bit of commitment. At the same time, it's very, very important to be humble about it. Because if you lose humility, you will not be able to learn from other people. So, all that I would say is that whatever little I have seen in my life, I realize humility is important. I realize that luck plays a very important role in your life. And I also realized that there are lots of people smarter than me around me. So recently we have finished a leadership journey of 14 days where 100 participants from 9 states participated in this journey, and today is the last day. So I would like to have one among the participants who participated from Gujarat, Anand, and she would like to have her sharing here before you people. Mitali.
This journey was the journey for the lifetime. I got a lot of things to learn from these 99 people other than me. The organizers, all the role models whom I met, they were just extraordinary. All the places that we visited were just ultimate. All the activities which we undertook, which were undertaken under this Leap Prayana platform were just amazing.
And I would like to again call Mr. Ratan Tata to hand over the prestigious award. Anuradha Bhandari from Government Workspace College 50. And now after the very inspiring session with Ratan Tata, the leaders are going to have a panel session with famous writer Rasmi Vamshal, the orator Lakshmi Praturi, and the innovator Mr. Ramesh Praskar.
I think just marks without learning will give way sometime. Maybe not initially, but it will give way sometime.
Find a problem to solve. That problem is big enough, then you have your idea.
You want to follow your heart, and at the same time you're listening to your mentors. You're going to go somewhere.
What is the one quality which turns a normal writer to a mighty writer?
If you're a writer, apart from your language, apart from your subject knowledge, apart from everything, you have to be a person who takes a stand. And you have to stick for what you believe in, and you have to be true to yourself, first and foremost.
India now compete in the World Forum to be better off in the world, or should we compete with ourselves so we can do wonders in the world?
It's a complex question. Having lived in multiple countries now, I really feel the fusion of the best on each of the cultures is what really makes it. And I think although I'm very proud being an Indian, and I'm very proud, at the same time I'm very proud being a citizen of the world. As humans, we are responsible for doing the best for everyone around us. If it inspires you to think about India first, that's great as well, because you'll do it one step at a time. But for me personally, it's about thinking about the whole world.
And here it goes to the final role model session, who is the most awaited from the first day. The person behind the idea of the lead, the person who is inspiring always for the youth, and the person who is always positive with his action and with his thoughts. So here it goes the session with Mr. Naveen Jha.
Finding the goodness in the people rather than doing the postmortem of the goodness. So if you found goodness among the people, that's the best thing. On the one hand, you are very hard because you have to execute something and push the thing to move, and at the same time, you are compassionate and you're tender for something, you feel it. So how you manage that humbleness and hardness both together, that's a very big challenge.
On what thought process you want to make all these priorities so that we are stay focused even after we leave from you?
If you don't do mistake right now, God knows when you will do. So do lots of mistake, but don't repeat the mistake. Do mistake, learn from it and move ahead. And every mistake is a great source of learning. And once you become a part of it, even if there is no platform, you are a part of it. So that's the bond and that's the source of sense of belongingness we keep it. So even if you are not on Facebook, but you are in our book. So you all people have made Lead Prayana a program, a lively things which we all cherish.
It's not the end. I'm very sure this is the new journey of their life, and this is the new journey what they want to achieve into their life, and that is what Lead Prayana.
Well, YouTube you can find all the day's video. It was the last day. So you think like all the great leaders in one day, kitna digest karoge na? So this is the opportunity. The way I am talking to you, even more closer to that. You're going and guest speakers are coming to you, this, that. So we make like this open platform. So you can have access to the people who really like inspiring. It's not like something you read their book or you listen to them on television. You interact, you talk and you ask and really you feel it. The people who are really role model, are they really or not? So this is that Lead Prayana. So not many things, and for this Lead Prayana and Yuva Summit already we got confirmation from all Devi Shetty?
Narayan.
Huh?
Narayan Mutyal.
Yes. So he has given confirmation. Narayan Murthy is coming. Narayan Murthy has asked he wants to be with us for 3 days, not 1 or 2 hours. So he wants to be 3 days with us because it's a 3-4 days event. And other person, Panindra Sama, that late bus CEO, he will be there. We'll have lot many other people along with him. So that is what is there, awaited moment. So other people will be absolutely, there will be thousands of students, but only to clap in the crowd, as you might have seen in the video. Na? So it depends on you whether you want to be that to sit in the crowd and clap. It's very much pre-announcement for you people to grab the opportunity, whether you want to be there and clap or whether you want to be one among that like girl.
So we are already starting in Gokak, so we are establishing the mineral factory in Blue Hill. So it's going on very good. So I want to establish one mineral water in my village. So it's very useful because I will tell you, Suyamurthy is came from Savalgi, Bagalkot district, near to 2 to 3 kilometers.
Yeah.
My plan is that in my near high school and colleges is there. So in there no good water is not available in my village. So my plan is in my village my land is there. So I want to establish the one small mineral water factory. So I covered the school students the mineral water. It's my idea. So after MBA I will take that decision.
You have already taken decision.
Yes, I am already there.
So
I am established after my MBA.
Good. So, thank you for sharing. It's not a question, but the suggestion is that start thinking it can run successfully. It may not run also. Because the ground reality you have to check. So start behaving as an entrepreneur from the early stage. Good. Thank you. Thank you so much. I think it's a wonderful idea.